Good afternoon, dear students. Mathematics for third standard. In last video, I complete the following table and taught you solid cylinder and hollow cylinder. What is the difference between solid cylinder and hollow cylinder with the examples of coins and bangles. Now today in unit 2 we start tiles. Tiles means arrangement. You already know here two names are there, Nivedita and Dayananda. Go to Vijayanada's newly constructed house. We also met our friend's house who built newly houses on the occasion of inauguration function of their houses. We also go there, and in their house so many things we observe there, their house designs, house color and windows, curtains, and how they tiles the tile to their floor. So here is some examples of floors of tiling. Tiles arranged by Nivedita, tiles arranged by Dayanand. Tiles means to arrange or to join. Remember students, by arranging different shaped tiles in different ways, various patterns can be obtained. See, in market, so many shapes of, so many colors of tiles available. To which color, which shape you want, you buy for your houses. Here some tiles pictures are there. These are triangle shape, these are diamond shape, and these are square shape. Some other figures are here. So here tiles arranged in different colors. Here also in different colors. Here also different color. They use white and blue, orange and white, green and peach. Tilling and non-tilling tiles. If you are asked to lay the tiles for the house, which of these will be matching tile? If you are asked to lay the tiles for house, which of these will be matching tile? Observe the arrangement of the following tiles. Dear students, here are some pictures of tiles, arrangement of tiles. Here square, pink and blue, orange, green and blue. Here yellow, green, peach, dark green and peach and sky blue. The tiles of this shape can be cover the floor completely without any gap. They tile each other. Observe here, dear students, tiles are covered without gap, no gap here. Here also one picture, here also one picture. There is no gap in between the tiles. And in these pictures are different than these pictures. How? Listen. The tiles of these shapes do not cover the floor completely. It means you observe here some gap is here. Sky blue. The tiles of these shapes do not cover the floor completely. There are gaps between the tiles. They do not tile each other. So, which are not tile each other, those are called non-tilling tiles. And the tiles of these shapes can be cover the completely floor without any gap. They will tile each other. They are called tilling tiles. These are tilling tiles. These are non-tilling tiles. Yes, I think you know the difference. What is the difference between tilling and non-tilling tiles? Tilling tiles means there is no gap. There is no gap. Here I observe no gap in between the tiles. But now in non-tiling tiles, here is we find the gaps. No, here gap. So these gaps are called non-tiling tiles. This type of arrangement of tiles is called tiling tiles. This type of arrangement of tiles is called non-tiling tiles. Remember, dear students. Remember, while laying the same shaped tiles, if they cover the floor without gap, then they are tiling tiles. While laying the same shaped tiles, if they cover the floor without gap, then they are tiling tiles. While laying the same shaped tiles, if there are gaps between the tiles, then they are non-tiling tiles. While laying the same shaped tiles, if there are gaps between the tiles, then they are non-tiling tiles. Understand difference between tiling and non-tiling tiles? Tiling tiles means there is no gap between the tiles, and now in non-tiling tiles we find gaps. So this is one with the example I tell you. Come to exercise 1.2. Complete the following as shown below. So here they already draw here 3 tiles, here 2 tiles. If you have colors, you also try in your house in different colors. Draw the shape of these tiles and color in your house. Thank you.